Okay.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is black wire and the red wire, a 9-volt battery, and the white bulb. So I'll show you. So this connects to the 9-volt battery. Black is negative, and red is positive. So what happened is, if you connect the red and then the black, it'll turn on the white bulb. You see that? As it connected,
The alligator clip is stuck.
this is stuck. Yeah, I need to get the black out there as well.
Okay.
Sorry guys, it was a joke. So, you connect this gray piece, you connect the last one, it turns on the white. Now, to turn off the light, you need to pull 2 wires out. 1 and 2.
Close the circuit.
And close the circuit, so there's
Or
no...
open the circuit actually.
Yep. And as you guys see, there's no power on the white bulb, so problem is the 9-volt battery doesn't have any more power, so...
And that is an electrical circuit.